what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another product review for you guys, and this is one that I want to try for a very long time, so let's get right into it. Okay, so for today I will be doing a product review and demo as usual, and my hair is in the week later result, so I'm going to be talking about what my hair is doing right now. But if you cannot already tell by the title, today we will be talking about Color Wow Dream Coat. This product is very popular. It was very viral on Instagram, TikTok, all that, for its anti-humidity properties. But before I give you guys my opinion, let me state their claims. Color Wow Dream Coat, how to use it. Use shampoo, condition, and towel dry. Divide the hair into sections. Spray liberally and even on damp, not wet hair. Do not apply other styling products while the hair is wet. You can apply styling products after completing the Dream Coat blow dry. Requires blow drying with tension to activate. For best results, use every 3 to 4 shampoos. So basically with those instructions, they're claiming that this product is supposed to last over multiple times, which I won't be able to test that yet because I've only washed my hair once. So I'm basically testing the leave-in ability, the anti-humidity and anti-frizzness of the product. I don't know if it's going to last for multiple washes. I really don't believe that it will, but I will see and let you guys know. So as you're going to see in the demo portion of this video, that's exactly what me and my mom did. We applied no other leave-ins but this product. This is something that is a little bit iffy for me because being a hairstylist, I just love leave-ins. I love using different leave-ins for different things depending on what the client needs, what the hair is asking for. So Color Wow Dream Coat asking me to use only this while wet is a little hard for me, okay? I don't think in the future I will do that for everybody because some people will need a little bit of something. But let me just first tell you, I am not the only person that we've used this product on. I've been using it on all of my silk press clients, and I've been using only this and it has been doing okay. I can see it, not for every single situation. I would not allow this to be the only thing we ever use in the salon. I can definitely see this being used specifically in the summer. In the summer I don't put as many products on my client's hair because I don't want to weigh it down because of that humidity factor. We are in Louisiana, okay? It's best for all hair types. I do it for dry, frizzy prone hair or color treated hair. Perfect for extension, safe for keratin treated hair. Notes from the Color Wow lab. Dream Coat uses a groundbreaking heat-activated polymer technology that is feather light. It will not weigh down the hair or leave it greasy. When activated by the heat of your blow dry along with light tension from a brush, Dream Coat forms an invisible hydroponic matrix that does two things. Compresses each strand into a sleek, silky, supple shape. Sheath this every strand in a light imperceptible raincoat that repels moisture. I have used this product so far on my hair, on a lady with bone straight hair, on a looser curl, a tighter curl, and here's what I've noticed. When it comes to people with fine hair, this product works wonders. When it comes to straightening, smoothing, no frizz for people with fine hair, it's amazing. It is really all you'll need when it comes to a leave-in, as long as their hair isn't super damaged. If the hair is healthy and it's fine, this product is going to give it shine. This product is going to make it smooth. It is amazing for fine hair. When it comes to someone's hair who's a little bit coarser like mine, I can see the benefits of maybe adding another leave-in with it because sometimes you just need a little bit more moisture. This product doesn't have a lot of moisture, but its main job isn't moisturizing. As you can see, it is to seal that cuticle, close it, activate it with heat, smooth it out, and repel all moisture. And I can say that this product also does that. You can see from my hair that it didn't add a ton of shine. It has like a really nice subtle sheen, but my hair is a little bit coarser. When it came to hair that was on the finer side, it had a glass-like shine. So in the future, I think I will try their extra strength Dream Coat next to see if it will do a little bit more shine and a little bit more work on coarser hair, because like I said, the coarser hair just looked like it needed a little bit more when it came to the shine and the glass-like effect. As far as repelling moisture, I also feel like it did really well. This is how my hair looks right now. Disclaimer, I am in Louisiana. I didn't even need to do the little water droplet test because in Louisiana, humidity lives among us at all times. There's so much moisture in the air, you think it should pay rent, okay? there's always moisture. I recently went to a festival. This is a video of me at the festival, and I had a hat on my head, and the only thing that puffed up was my roots. But that was after a week of having my hair already straight, and I work out every single day during the week on the treadmill, sweating, and my hair stayed straight. That's how I know that this product really is good. You don't want to look at a product and just think that it's going to be magical. You don't want to drench your hair in water, but I can say for me, running on the treadmill, walking in a very hot space, hot outside, my hair did not completely revert, which it never really does. You know, I have hair that is heat trained. It likes to stay straight, but sometimes it will get a little frizzy depending on how much I sweat. But with this product, it didn't get frizzy at all. The only time that I experienced frizz was a week later, and I had on a hat that was compressing the sweat and the moisture only on my scalp. So once my scalp puffed up, this is still straight. This still feels good and airy, and I've just been putting a light moisturizer, aka grease, on my hair daily. So I can say that this product works really well. When it comes to my clients, I've seen their hair get a little bit straighter from the blow dry. You know, I've seen it be really shiny from the blow dry alone. And when they say saturate, they mean saturate. You can see my mom in the demo also spraying down the hair. And if you really want to see how well this product works for you, go ahead and use only this so you can really get the results of this product. It does retail, the large size is about 6 fluid ounces, and it retails for $24. Excuse me, and it retails for $28. But as you guys know, I purchased a travel size, which was only $12. And let me just say, I've used that size multiple times and I've saturated. So the travel size go a long way because I've had it for like a month now, and I've been using it on every single client I straighten, and it has been doing really good. I've had one client already go out and buy it to purchase it for herself because that's how in love she was with it. I've done blowouts with just a round brush on people and using this product, and it did really well. Basically, I love how it performs in a salon. Now once people leave the salon, I don't know how well it is repelling moisture on their end, but I know on my end so far my hair has been pretty straight and it's been maintaining its straightness. Like I said, I'm not going to judge the product or deduct points because I put on a hat a week later and my roots got a little puffy. It's gonna happen. But it got puffy, but it didn't completely, you know, revert or look crazy or anything like that. It does give the hair a real light and airy feel. If you guys remember when I did my review on the Matrix Mega Sleek conditioner, here's the video right here, that had my hair like real light, flowy, airy, and that is what this product did right here. It had the same effect, but I was able to use my moisturizing conditioner and shampoo. I also did a steam treatment, so my hair was super moisturized before putting this product on, so I feel like that helped along with the silk pressing products, because moisturized hair silk presses the best, period. Moisture is going to leave your hair silky and hydrated, and that is going to help with getting your hair sleek. Getting your hair sleek and repelling moisture are two different things. Not only does this product increase shine in your hair, it gets it sleek, but it does fight against humidity and frizz. And also, please be sure that you are using the tension. These people want you to use tension with the product because you're basically performing a little treatment on yourself. That's what they're considering it. Don't think of it as just, oh, this is a leave-in spray. No, it goes with a little bit of work. It has to be heat activated. They don't want you to apply it to soaking wet hair. They want the hair to be damp. Like, there are some instructions, and it's best if you follow their instructions how it's supposed to be followed. So you want to maybe use a round brush, use a paddle brush where you can really stretch out your hair and apply that tension to where you're getting it as straight as possible so you can really see the results that you want to see. But overall, I would give this product a 5 stars. It is something that I see myself carrying in a salon. I'm in Louisiana, so anything that is going to fight against humidity and moisture, I definitely appreciate. I will be purchasing the extra strength. Dream Coat is coming to my Armstrong McCall, which is my professional hair store. I am a licensed cosmetologist. It's going to be coming there, and I will be purchasing a big size because I want to see if the extra strength, you know, the one for curly hair, is going to do a little bit more for the thicker haired girls and the girls with coarser hair, because I know it does what it needs to do for fine hair. I've seen it work. I love the results of it, and I can definitely put it in that category for my fine hair girls, but I even want to see for hair like mine, or hair that is a little bit coarser or maybe drier, will the next level up do something a little bit different. But I think you guys get the gist. I would recommend it. Go ahead and give it a try. The price can be a little worrisome, but it's worth it, and a little goes a long way. Even though you're saturating the hair, you're not using a full bottle on one head during one time or one service, so it is definitely worth it. I hope you all are going to enjoy this little demo. Please make sure you're watching this video until the end so you can see the first day results of my hair. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Everything by Maja, and make sure you're subscribed to this channel with your post notifications turned on. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next upload. If you guys have any more product recommendations that you want me to review, please let me know. But I do have some curly videos coming up for you guys. I have a lot of new products to try and I'm very excited about it, so just stay tuned. Let's hop into the rest of the video.